Hey dear Uber Eats fans, welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for all things food delivery. Today I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Uber Eats website. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Uber Eats website on your favorite web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, click on the three lines at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. Now we will go to Account Settings or Account Info. Here, we already have our email address, so we have to click on Email. Once you have removed the old email address, enter your new email address and click on Update. Now it will send a verification code to your email address. Once you have verified your new email address, it will be updated in your Uber Eats account, and that's it. Changing your email address on Uber Eats website is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy ordering!